Okay, quick video. We're gonna go through a few pairs like the pound, the euro, and a few futures as well. Okay, so let's quickly get to the pound. What we got on the pound. All right, I will do a longer video later on. So what we got on the pound here is we're looking for downside. All right, there is a lot of channels on my chart. I know we've had a 5-wave move up. Okay, after the 5-wave move up after a C wave. Okay, and we're coming down in a 1 2 1 2. This could turn out to be corrective, to be honest with you. Okay, it's starting off corrective. This is debatable. It could have a 1 2 a 3 a 4 and a 5. Okay, but that could just be our A wave over here. Now this is a straight zigzag, yeah, with no real bends in it or anything. It's a straight zigzag. Okay, it is also corrective. This, once we hit the 0.886 from drawn from here to up to there, that would be a stronger indication that yes, that's a confirmed corrective move. But looking at the pattern, looking at the higher time frame, that's already a corrective move to me. So we hit that 886, that's confirmation, and it increases the probabilities that price will take out this low over here. Okay, so currently, if I go to the 15-minute time frame, what I'm waiting for, and let me put the EMAs on, I'll take off the drawings. Okay, what I'm waiting for right now is we're approaching the 50 EMA. We're just about at the 50 EMA. Did I hide the drawings yet? I'm expecting price to flip above here. Okay, what's going on here? All right, I'm expecting price to flip above here and then crash back down. Okay, to continue the bearish trend. That's what I'm looking for on GBPUSD. And if we check EURUSD now, it's the same thing I'm looking for in EURUSD, but I will go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, same thing here. All right, we have our supply zone here. This last up move for the down move. There's a small one here, but this could be taken out. This is the limit. Okay, go to the 15-minute time frame. On the 15-minute time frame for EURUSD, you can see it's similar to GBPUSD, where we're approaching the 15 EMA. I'm expecting the same thing as with GBPUSD. I'm expecting a move like this and then a crash. So most likely this supply zone is going to hold. There is a chance that we'll wick the top of this supply zone as the highs seem fairly equal. Okay, so for EURUSD, you might get slightly bigger pullback than with GBPUSD, and we might swipe these highs into this supply, and then price can go lower. Okay, we're both in they are both in a bearish trend right now. The most recent break of structure was here. A return back into this area with some distribution would be a good sign for downside. All right, I was trading soybeans. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. I just wanted to make sure I did post a video at this time, so that's why I'm rushing, but I am in a lot of trades right now. Bitcoin, yes, bullish for Bitcoin. This is a 3-wave move down. Now, there's only 2 things that's going to happen here for me. Okay, this move up, come down, swipe below, break of structure, bullish. Otherwise, it's just straight bullish. We're already above the 50 MA. We're already above the 50 static. And on the 1 hour time frame, Alexa, stop. All right. Yeah, see, I need to jump in the trade on soybeans. Alexa, stop. Okay, so there's a good chance that this is not going to bring this. Alexa, stop. Sorry about that. There's a good chance this is not going. Well, yeah. All right. Basically, 30 minutes. All right. If the hour is around here or above the 50 MA, that's it. It's done going up. I do believe that's what's going to happen. It's just going to continue to go up. I will show the higher time frame. I don't have my markings on this chart over here. I'll come here, but it's probably going to be very messy over here. I've got a lot of analysis because I go down to the smaller time frames constantly, reaffirming certain moves using Elliott Wave technical analysis. Okay, it's not as messy as I thought it would be. So we can go to the 4 hour and you can see that I'm looking for a WXY that finishes here, okay? And then we get bullish, okay? But for now, as price is making its way up, okay, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 currently, okay? Still valid as a 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? No, it's not. Okay, so we're zigzagging up, okay, which just makes sense because we're still in a correction. All right, there goes soybeans. We're still in a correction, all right? So I would say this is A, B, C, and A. This is B, and we're looking for C. We could come up to the 50 MA. I think that's a bit far. We're on the 4 hour, but I am expecting price to take out this high, okay, over here. This high over here. Furthermore, why did I? Okay, so that's my analysis. I am expecting Bitcoin to come up here. Somewhere over here, I'm looking for price to turn around, come back down to give us that Y wave, and then bullish from there. All right, thanks a lot. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.